This is Nancy Braum with RE/MAX Realtors in Bellingham, Washington with the real estate market update for third quarter 2016. This report is about Bellingham, Washington, which is located in Whatcom County in the northwest corner of Washington State, but we're also going to talk about King County, where Seattle is, Snohomish County, Skagit County, and end up with Whatcom County. Let's start with King County. The green bars here are the current listings on the market. The darker blue bars are the closed sales, and the red line is the pending sales. Last year they had 3,500 listings on the market, and this year they have 37, so the inventory is actually increasing. If you look at this area right here, which is the last time we talked, last quarter, you could see that there is hardly any green showing, so they've increased that quite a bit. Same is happening in Snohomish County. You can see that last quarter there was less green compared to the blue, and now they've increased the inventory and getting a little bit more room there. Skagit County, last year they had 598, this year 540. Sales are a little higher than last year. And here's Whatcom County. Last year we had 1,048, this year we have 796, so we're down about a third. But you can also see that the sales are not down. Sales have increased. Here are our months of inventory. Here's King County, they're at 1.5, same as last year. 6 months are considered a balanced market. Snohomish County has dropped from 2.1 to 1.7. It's still just not much. Skagit County is down to 2.5 from 3.3. And Whatcom County down from 3.7 to 2.4 months of inventory. Here are the months of inventory for the last 7 years quarterly, and you can see here was the top of the market, and from then it's just slid all the way down. Although this last quarter we did have a little bit of uptick in all of Whatcom County, not so much in Bellingham. This is for Bellingham, so it's just dwindled. This shows average and moving average price comparison. The red line is median prices and the blue line is average prices. I just like to track them together to see what they're saying. This was the top of the market in third quarter 2007, bottom of the market in first quarter 2012. You can see that we've well passed the top of the market in 2007, and in fact this last plotting here is even at a steeper range on the average, a little bit less on the median. Each of these bars are $20,000, so in the last 6 months this is showing that the median price has gone up $20,000. So have all houses gone up $20,000? No, but in that median price range around $330,000, $350,000, yes. This is Bellingham. We had 307 listings on the market this time last year, down to 205. We're down a third, and as you can see, the sales are up. We had 105 sales last year, 120, 101 pendings to 110 this year. Here are the months of inventory. We went from 2.9 down to 1.7, so that's like our southern neighbors. The median price in Bellingham last year was $317,400. This year it's $353,500. That's 11% increase in the median sales price in Bellingham. For the average, we are at $364,300 last year, and we're up to $418,229 this year, over $400,000 average price. That's up 15% nearly. This shows our percentages from the top. This is where we are now. So Bellingham, third quarter 2016, median price $365,000, top of the market was $317,000. We're up 16% over the top of the market. Sudden Valley up 15% over the top of the market, and they just made the turn about 2 years ago, so that's really been increasing. Ferndale up, and Blaine has been playing catch up 20% over the top of the market. So the logical question to ask is, has it been like this before? So here we are in Bellingham with 202 listings on the market currently. What was it at the top of the market? Well, third quarter 2007 we had 678, but that wasn't the top. Actually the top was in 2006 when we had 713. This is when the market was just screaming up. Here was 2005 and 2004, so you can see that in 2004 we had less listings than we have now. And you can see that the market just took off and went up. Look at Sudden Valley. They had 25 listings. The next year they had 66, then they had 153. On closed sales, we closed year to date 888 in Bellingham. Top of the market, 991. Year before, 986. 2005, 855. So we're above 855 in sales. And that 2004 number was 610. Now you can attribute this to population growth, all sorts of things, but we're selling about 200 units more on less inventory. This shows Bellingham quarterly prices since 2002. You can see that the market was relatively flat. Here's where we zoomed on up, and then the inventory has kind of fallen off since then. But an interesting thing to note is this red line, that's the pending sales, is a nice wavy line just showing our seasonality. So we're 2 up, 2 down, 2 up, 2 down. But watch this. 2 up, 2 down, 2 up, 2 down, 2 up, 2 down. No 2 up. And now we're going into 2 down. So we can expect even less inventory over this winter. This is the same chart for King County. A lot of people say they get a cold and we sneeze, but it's not exactly the same, because you can see that they were up in 2002, actually dropped down in their inventory in that 2005 and 6, and then back up, and they've been down for a lot longer than we have. Let's compare the two charts. So you can see down for Bellingham, then up, and it's just been gradual down. And Seattle, very different. And its inventory has been low really since 2011. Here's our price per square foot back since 2002, and you can see in 2002 we were just below $120 per square foot, and now we are up over $200 a square foot. The green line shows the average price of the houses that are on the market in Bellingham. The red line shows the average sale price. So we know that the average sale price in Bellingham is about $418 now, but the average house on the market is $750. Now we are not selling the $750 houses for $418, but what is happening here, I believe, is the houses that are higher priced are now thinking it's time to get it on the market. Maybe we can get a sale now. So we have a lot of higher priced homes on the market now. Here's our months of inventory, and again, real estate is cyclical. Back in 2002 we had about the same. We had about 2 months of inventory, and then it shot up. We had 9, 10, 11 months of inventory, and now it's back down that 2 months of inventory. So it comes, it goes. This shows the new construction and what's been happening with that. So black is the 2015 numbers, and then the red is the 2016 numbers. So on average we're up 6.8% in Bellingham, and on median we're up 8.9%. And then for all of Whatcom County we're up 11%, and we're up 7%. And why Whatcom County I think is running more is because the lots are cheaper and it's hard to find lots in Bellingham. Our average price per square foot in Bellingham for new construction is $216, and in the county $192. That wraps it up. Please check back mid-January for the fourth quarter statistics. And do you know the value of your property? If you don't, go to nancybrom.com, remember the 2 A's, and click on this button right here that says What's My Home Worth, and we'll take care of that for you. Talk to you soon. Bye.